of electromagnets. They are used in electrical appliances such as electric bells, electric fans, electric motors, loudspeakers, and electric trains. In cranes for lifting the transporting heavy loads like cars, big machines, and steel girders, by doctor to remove tiny iron particles from the ice, to separate impurities of iron from the metals. In magnetic separation of iron ores from impurities. Electric bell. An electric bell works on the principle of electromagnetism. Construction of an electric bulb. An electric bell has a U-shaped electromagnet. A small iron bar called armature is held in the front of the poles of an electromagnet. The lower end of the armature is attached to a flat spring. The spring is fixed to a metal bracelet. The upper end of the iron bar has hammer attached to it. There is a contact screw that just touches the armature at point E. A metal gong is fixed near the hammer. The electromagnet is connected to a battery. A push button switch and an armature in the circuit. Working of an electric bell. When we press the switch, the electric circuit of the bell completes. Current passes through the coil of the electromagnet. As a result, it gets magnetized and the electromagnet attracts the armature towards itself, and the hammer attached to the armature strikes the gong and produces the sound. When the armature moves towards the magnet, it contacts with a contact screw breaks at point E. Due to this, the electric circuit breaks and no electric circuit flows in the coil of the electromagnet. The electromagnet loses its magnetism and armature is no longer attracted by it. The spring brings back the armature to the original position and the hammer moves away from the gong. As soon as the armature moves back, it touches the contact screw. This circuit completes. The current again starts flowing in the coil of an electromagnet. As a result, the electromagnet again attracts the armature and the hammer strikes the gong, producing the sound. This process of make and break of the electric circuit continues as long as we are pressing the switch. Thus, the hammer strikes the gong rapidly, producing almost continuous sound, and we say that the bell rings. So thank you friends. Meet you tomorrow with a new topic. Bye.